Welcome to Healthcare Bites for You. Have you ever wondered why some people stay strong and active well into their 70s or even 80s, while others lose muscle and energy as they age? What if the secret isn't in expensive supplements or tough workouts, but something as simple as fruit? Today we're uncovering 5 everyday fruits that science shows can fight age-related muscle loss, helping you stay strong, independent, and energized after 60. Why muscle loss happens after 60? Muscle loss after age 60 is common, but not inevitable. The condition is called sarcopenia, and it affects nearly 1 in 3 adults over 60 in the U.S. It leads to weakness, poor balance, fatigue, and even increased risk of falls. The good news? You can fight back naturally, starting with your plate. Number 1. Avocados, the anti-inflammatory muscle helper. Avocados are more than just trendy toast toppings. They're loaded with potassium and magnesium, minerals essential for proper muscle function and contraction. Their healthy fats and vitamin E fight chronic inflammation, one of the biggest causes of age-related muscle decline. The fiber in avocados helps regulate blood sugar, keeping your energy steady throughout the day. Number 2. Tart cherries. Nature's recovery fruit. Ever feel sore after light activity? Tart cherries can help. Packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins, they reduce inflammation and muscle soreness. They also contain natural melatonin, improving sleep, a key time when muscles repair and grow. Studies even show athletes recover faster with tart cherry juice. Imagine what it can do for seniors. Number 3. Pomegranates. Power for blood flow and endurance. Pomegranates don't just look beautiful, they're circulation boosters. They help your body make nitric oxide, improving blood flow to muscles. Better blood flow means better endurance, quicker recovery, and less muscle fatigue. Their powerful antioxidants also reduce oxidative stress that weakens muscle cells over time. Number 4. Prunes. Muscle growth and bone support. Prunes aren't just for digestion, they're muscle builders. They stimulate IGF-1, a hormone that encourages muscle growth and repair. Plus, they're rich in boron, which helps your body use calcium and vitamin D, key nutrients for both bones and muscles. Adding a few prunes to your diet may help prevent both sarcopenia and osteoporosis. Number 5. Apples, the peel that packs a punch. An apple a day? Yes, especially with the peel on. Apple peels contain ursolic acid, a compound that signals your body to grow and preserve muscle. It also improves how your muscle cells use energy, so you stay active longer. Quercetin and fiber in apples add anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits too. Real-life examples: meet Linda, 68, who added tart cherry juice to her evening routine and now sleeps better with less joint pain. Or Joe, 73, who eats half an avocado daily and has improved his balance and energy. Simple choices, powerful outcomes, easy ways to add these fruits to your day. No need for big changes. Blend prunes into smoothies, slice apples into oatmeal, or enjoy avocado on whole grain toast. These fruits are affordable, tasty, and easy to add to any meal, making it easier to stay consistent. Final motivation: you've got this. Aging doesn't have to mean slowing down. With just a few natural changes, you can stay strong, mobile, and full of life. Start by picking one fruit. Add it to your meals. Let your body feel the difference. You deserve strength. You deserve independence. And with the right fuel, You can have both, naturally. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks.